Welcome to the Hayward DEP 500 series filter installation video. Before viewing this video, it's important to read the instruction manual and follow all safety requirements. Preparing for installation. To prepare for the installation of a Hayward DEP 500 series filter, the area should be evaluated for the following: a flat level concrete or rigid base, a location that provides enough space to adequately service the filter, a space for removing the winter drain plug, removing the top of the vessel, and working on the filter control valve during maintenance. A location that does not flood when it rains, drains well, and is well vented. A location free of debris. A location where the filter can be situated to facilitate the best possible hydraulic installation. A location where the filter and pump will not be in continuous direct heat from the sun when possible. Note: do not place the filter controls over the top of the filter pump, and make sure to orient the top of the filter air discharge away from electrical devices. Packaging. To begin, remove the filter vessel from the packaging. The DEP 500 series filter box includes the vessel with the filter cartridges pre-installed, a bag with the drain plug, and the owner's manual. At this time, record the serial number on the owner's manual while it's most accessible. You will need this number to register your warranty. Required tools. Only a few tools are needed for installation. These tools include a level, a wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and pipe sealant that is rated for plastic fittings. On page 7 of the product manual, you'll find a filter control valve selection guide. Once you have made your selection, follow the steps outlined in the manual to assemble the filter control valve, which is sold separately, after setting your filter. Please note, the DEP 500 filter can be installed without a valve using unions, which are sold separately. Installation. Step 1. Setting the filter. Orient the filter on the equipment pad, considering what was discussed in the prepping phase. Ensure the filter can drain by gravity. Check that the filter is stable and does not rock. Once stable, check the filter for level in both directions, front to back and left to right. Step 2. Filter control valve. Lubricate the filter control valve O-rings. We recommend Jack's 327 lubricant. Next, align the filter control valve with the two valve pipe connections at the front of the filter vessel. Press the filter control valve firmly into the fittings on the filter. Secure the assembly to the tank connections with the two bulkhead lock nuts. Do not over-tighten. Step 3. Plumbing installation. Connect the plumbing between the pump outlet and the filter control valve. Next, connect the pool return plumbing to the outlet on the filter control valve. Finally, if the pressure gauge is not installed, apply Teflon tape to the threads of the pressure gauge and carefully screw the gauge into the gauge adapter assembly. Your installation of the Hayward DEP 500 series filter is now complete. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about Hayward pool products. You can even view more videos or locate a dealer to find a pool professional near you.